Hi guys, it's Kevin again and welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm quickly going to make a new sort of shelter. I'm dubbing it the storm shelter. Now what it basically is 2 3x3s. So there's a good chance if you're out with a pack of people that 2 of you will have a DD 3x3. They're very versatile, they're small enough for single campers, big enough in certain configurations for a couple of people. But they always have an open side. So what I was thinking about doing is putting 2 of these back to back and having a fully enclosed system comprising of the 2 sort of lean-to shelters. I'm not 100% sure how it's going to turn out, but we'll give it a go.
Oh man, what we do?
Okay, so we've all seen these tarps before. Plenty of people use them, good reason, it's a good shelter. Obviously you'd have your little diamond porch here off to a stick. But what I'm going to do is I've added some sticks here just to help support the ridge line. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one now back to back to make it all enclosed. Obviously we're going to have one extra overhanging flap. Now depending which way the weather was coming in from, you could have this end or the one flapping over that end. But we'll have a look at that when we put the next one up. Okay, so basically what you can see now is I've done both back to back, so like I said, and now I have to decide which side our flap's going to go. Now, it didn't exactly peg out perfect because that's a DD 3x3 and that's a 10 under 3x3. So the tie-out points didn't meet exactly, but not bad. Let's have a look inside. Yeah. So without the sticks, there'd be too much tension pulling down your ridge line. So I've added the 2 sticks just for some support. And I've overlapped it a bit here. Well, I did do until I kicked the stick into it. There we go. It's massive. Let's have a look inside. Like I say, the benefit of this is there's likely it is that 2 people are going to have a 3x3. Stick 2 of them together. And I think you'd easily get 8 men in here, 6 men in all kit. We'll just have to tighten this flap out. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think. I'm sure I'm the first person to do this on YouTube. In fact, if I brought my roll mat and stuff, I'd be tempted to sleep in there tonight. This is just the flap that I tied off. So you can see, nice ridge line, nothing's going to leak through there. Happy days. Yes guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, hope you found it useful. I hope it was interesting as well. Like I say, I think I'm the first. But tell me what you think in the comments. Am I the first? Or am I just deluded? And tell me what you think of the shelter. So, we'll catch you in the next one.